The Japan Self-Defense Forces fired for the first time their Type 88 surface-to-ship missile here in the Philippines during Balikatan 2026, a key highlight of Tokyo's expanded participation in the annual exercises between the Philippines, the United States, and other partnered nations. 2 Type 88 missiles were launched and hit BRP Quezon within just 6 minutes. The target was positioned 75 kilometers off the shores of the Paway Sand Dunes and eventually sank.
Ngayon mo makikita napaka-complicated nitong exercise na to. From planning to forming to resource management. So it will only get smoother and better. We have seen how it works and it is something that we can interoperate with in the future.
With Japan and other countries taking on a more active role this year, more partner nations are expected to join future Balikatan exercises.
The future Balikatans are a product of the exercise itself. And we will be gauging how our planners are thinking by the activities that they identify. It will only get larger in scope with more partners. And I have to thank the President for his steadfast leadership.